Here we have the tricep extension machine to activate and strengthen the back of our arms. 3 main adjustments. The first one is your back raise. This is gonna depend on your size. We definitely want to be nice and tight to the pad, so don't be shy of pushing it far in, okay? The second one is gonna be your seat. You'll know your height based on the fact that you're going to feel this pad right into your armpit, lat, underarm area. The last adjustment is gonna be your weight stack. Move it accordingly before you begin the exercise. As you do more sets, you will learn your weights a little bit more effectively. I'm at a 6. From here, notice I get in, I'm touching the pad in the front and the back. I'm gonna bring the handles up towards me, okay? And from this position, in a nice neutral grip, I'm going to extend the elbow, flex the elbow. Exhale on the way down, breathe in on the way up. Of course, your tempo is very important, so nice and slow and control on the way back, nice and control on the way forward. My arms stay nice and flat against the pad.